Hello everyone, this is Pushpa Hadwal giving you the presentation on the topic Farmers Bill 2020. India is an agricultural country. Agriculture and its allied activities act as main source of livelihood for more than 80% population of rural India. It provides employment to approximately 52% of labor. Its contribution to gross domestic product, that is GDP, is between only 14 to 15%. To increase this GDP, we need to have reforms in this field, and Government of India has introduced 3 bills which are commonly known as farm bills. So let's have a glance on it. The first bill, there are 3 bills. The first one is the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Bill 2020. The second is the Farmers Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Bill 2020. And the third one is the Essential Commodities Bill 2020. Now, what the first bill is, this bill allows intrastate and interstate trade of farmers beyond the physical premises of APMC. Now, what is this APMC? APMC is Agricultural Product Market Committee, which was established by state government in India to ensure farmers are safeguarded from exploitation by large retailers, as well as ensuring the farm to retail price spread does not reach excessively high levels. The farmers are worrying that APMC will be removed. Also, they are having many other objections regarding this bill. Farmers are protesting in different parts of the country, but the government is clarifying about it.
बिचौलियों का साथ दे रहे हैं, वो लोग किसानों की कमाई को बीच में लूटने वालों का साथ दे रहे हैं। किसानों को अपनी उपज देश में कहीं पर भी किसी को भी बेचने की आजादी देना बहुत ऐतिहासिक कदम है।
Now, what are the changes or main provisions we can see in this first bill is the new legislation will empower farmers for engaging with processors, wholesalers, large retailers, exporters, etc. Price assurance to farmers even before sowing of crops. In case of higher market price, farmers will be entitled to this price over and above the minimum price. It will transfer the risk of market unpredictability from the farmer to the sponsor. Now, let's see the second bill. The second bill is the Farmer Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Bill 2020. In short, we can say it contract farming. Farmers will now be able to enter into direct agreement or commercial agreement for sale of produce with companies producing food products, wholesalers, retailers and exporters, etc. Once the agreement is made, the buyer will provide technical guidance and advice to the farmer and must take full or partial responsibility for crops risk. These are the further keys in this contract. Now the next one, the third bill is the Essential Commodities Bill 2020. This bill allows the central government to regulate the supply of certain food items only under extraordinary circumstances, such as war and famine. Stock limits may be imposed on agricultural produce only if there is a steep price rise. So these are some key points which we have discussed in this presentation. So have a nice day, students.